Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Mr. Vinay Anandrao Bagal, lecturer, Tatasai Pore College of Pharmacy, Varna Nagar, Kolhapur. Learning objectives. While watching this video, learners should able to fulfill the requirements to open a new medical store, as well as he should be able to know the legal requirement required to open a new medical store. This is a sample or specimen copy of a drug store. While after the completion of a deep farm course, everyone interested in to open own medical store. A pharmacy business is a healthcare business. So a registered pharmacist must be present in medical store for the dispensing, for the storing, as well as for the routine work purpose. In this presentation, we'll cover the different factors or the steps required for open a new medical store, right from the minimum education qualification to the availability of medicines in medical store. The selection of a site. While to select proper location for a retail drug store is a very prime important one, because of to become a successful pharmacist, the site plays very great important role in the pharma business, because the pharmacist done his or her business purely on the basis of ethics. So while selecting site, you have to must following few steps. It should be preferred ground floor or the basement, because of this is a very easier one for the customer. Then maximum numbers of the shelves as well as the space is must one to store proper medicines. Then the refrigerator is also must one to maintain the storage condition, varieties of the dosage form. Since the refrigerator is a must one, stock and arrangement of a goods in your store with a proper protection is also plays very great important role, because of while maintaining the stock you must keep in mind the protection of your goods or protection of your medicines. Since for to becoming a successful businessman, to becoming successful pharmaceutical businessman, the proper location is a important one. Then this where we prefer the site or the location to open a new medical store, we have only two options. One is the rural and second one is the urban. So on the basis of the finance, on the basis of the market available, as well as on the basis of the developed area, we have to differentiate in these two. When we want to open our medical store in a rural area, then the limited finance is required. We can open our medical store at the near to the market, or near or in a medical. We can also available the pesticides, insecticides, as well as the veterinary product which can be sold with the medicines, and this can be possible only in rural area. But under the urban location, this is the high finance is required, because the requirement from the customer is varies one. So the huge investment is might be possible in the urban area, because of this area comes under either the developing area. So as per the requirement from the customer, we have to able to available the product with the range. So more than one product we can available in varieties of the manufacturers. So then what are the factors which one factors will play role is first one is the availability of the finance. The finance, without finance we can't do anything. For the business purpose, finance is much more important one. So the next one is the numbers of the doctors, numbers of the hospital, competition, density of the population, developing area, flow of a traffic, and the purchasing capacity. So while opening a medical store, you should keep in mind how many or numbers of the doctors which will be around us, since with the help of their prescription we can sold the medicines, as well as the numbers of the hospital. Nowadays in a hospital there are, in each hospital possibly one medical is already available. So on the basis of the classification of a hospital, means of the large size hospital, so in that particular hospital each medical store is must one in each floor. Okay, since the computation, so we or a pharmacist can do a business ethically, since while competition you have to also keep in mind the ethics, and you have to always follows the code of ethics. Then the legal requirements means from your minimum qualification required to become a registered pharmacist to the licenses, how you have to issue the licenses from the drug and food administration. And here the most important thing is the minimum space required to open a medical store. So these are the few or these are the legal requirements. In next video we'll discuss about all these things. Thank you very much.